So here's Blinq app digital business card. So you can just go and get it. So double click to install and then you can just install it. Super convenient, if you just go into some networking event, some conference, this is super convenient as you don't need to, just create and print your business cards. You can just use this app, transform the way you network with Blinq, your go-to electronic business card maker, effortlessly craft a sleek virtual business card in less than 2 minutes, accessible to anyone, app-free. Blinq innovative design lets you exchange professional details swiftly and memorably. So yep, just open it up and then you can have it here. You can also just create your card. Here just as an example, work email, then you can just add just as an example and then you can just just job title. So and then you can just go here and then you can also auto detect your logo. You can just use it and then just tap and continue. And then you can add a profile picture. So you can select a picture from your camera, for example. And then so then you will need to create your account. So for example, you just go here and sign in with Apple and then you're able to create your account and then you just build in the card. So yep, something like that, and then you just have it here. So your card is created, and then the cool thing is you can just generate the QR code, and then whenever you share your card, your current location will be added, so you both remember where you met. So you can also add to your card, but then you just need to upgrade, and annual is $36, monthly is $4. So that's just the idea. And then also you can add the widget, so you can just tap plus and add the Blinq widget and then upgrade. So anyhow, these are all additional features, but this is like you can just share the card here, and then you can just share it. You can just so yep, something like that. So yep, here it is. That's just an example of how you can use this app, and obviously it's much more handy than printing these cards, designing them, and all of that. So it's just more handy here. So yep, there you have it.